Balak ng Philippine National Shooting Association na tapusin ang taon sa pamagitan ng pagdaraos ng isang malaking event na magtatagal mula ngayong Nobyembre hanggang Disyembre. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Paulo Salamati.
Ibinahagi ng Philippine National Shooting Association ang kanilang plano sa pag-host ng bansa sa magaganap na Southeast Asian Shooting Championship mula November 24 hanggang December 14 ngayong taon, na kung saan nakatakdang ibandera ang ilang mga events gaya ng practical shooting, sporting clays, bench rest at Olympic shotgun events gaya ng trap at skeet shooting. Inaasahan naman ng humigit kumulang 350 shooters na mula sa 8 hanggang 9 na bansa ang nakatakdang sumali sa 3 linggong kompetisyon. Mangunguna para sa Philippine team ang trap shooters na sina Hagen Topacio, Eric Ang at Olympian Jetro Dionisio. Samantalang sa skeet event naman ay sasabak sina Enrique Leandro Enriquez at Olympian Brian Rosario. Sa women's division naman, kinitawan ng bansa sina Valerie Levanza, Abby Cuyong, Amparo Acuña at Franchet Quiroz.
Yes, good morning everyone. So we're very excited in our PNSA. It's not really the first time to host it, but it's the first time that it's going to be like multi-event, biggest multi-shooting event that the Philippines is going to host for the year. When I say multi-shooting, this is not just Olympic shooting, as you would know. So around about 8 countries. So we're pretty excited about it.
Ayon pa kay Philippine National Shooting Association Secretary General Irene Garcia, umaasa ang PNSA na magpapakita ng malakas na performance sa mga Pinoy shooters sa nasabing event, katapat ang ibang mga bansa gaya ng Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore at Indonesia.
I was saying earlier, it's for us to gauge where we're at. We're for Southeast Asian Games, so we're well exposed. And in fact, we have broken a lot of new records. So in 1991, times are different. so even the shooters and the targets are different now. The rules are different. It's actually tougher now.
Nasa kabuuang 4 na shooting ranges ang gagamitin sa palaro na gaganapin sa Batangas at Taguig City. Paulo Salamatin para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.